But the work doesn't stop there. It's crucial to test your system, to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you encounter issues, no display, system errors, don't panic. They're part of the process, and there's always a solution. Remember, building a custom gaming PC is not just about the destination, the powerful personalized machine. It's about the journey, the learning, the challenge, the satisfaction. So, if you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, to craft your perfect gaming experience, why not build your own gaming PC? It's a game where you're always the winner. Thank you for joining this adventure. If you're curious about more gaming PC build guides and tech content, consider subscribing. And remember, sharing is caring, so don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until next time, game on.